The state TMC is likely to field Gambegre MDC Sadhiarani Sangma as Gambegre bypoll candidate for the TMC, but are awaiting the approval of its chairperson to announce the candidate. Informing this, TMC Parliamentary Party leader Dr. Mukul Sangma said that the party election committee had sat and unanimously decided the name of Sadhiarani to be the candidate. He said that they are waiting for the final approval of its high command before announcing the name. He further added that the party is working hard at the ground to win the bypoll.
Ground zero working hard.
Sir, how confident is the TMC to win?
The application of the candidature of the aspiring candidate, Srimati Sadhiarani Sangma, and the committee was unanimous in its decision to recommend the name for the final approval of the candidature as the candidate for the Trinamool, as the candidate of the Trinamool Congress for the forthcoming by-election